Assalamualaikum, good morning. Today we from Group 11 are going to talk about which is our project Interface System IoT for COVID-19 System Management. Okay, what we doing is basically creating a GUI, which is graphical user interface, to load a model, CNN model. The CNN model is trained to identify the image of X-ray lung uploaded by the user or doctor, and the model will predict based on the data set that have been sent to the model so that it can do the prediction. Okay, so I will demo how the GUI works. So this is how we first load the model, and this is our CNN model. Now that the model is loaded, it is shown that the model loaded successfully. So we do single prediction. So we put the name, for example, Faizal, and the patient ID. So for the patient ID,
So basically the ID itself is an address of the patient house. So basically the ID for this address is 1001 and the second house is the 2001. So basically an ID also address, and it's also a state code for each state in Malaysia. So basically 01 mean Perak.
Okay, today I will present the patient ID. So this is basically the address of the patient, and then this is the ID of the patient. So this is the number of house, and then this is the ID for the patient, which is 14 is wilayah persekutuan. So we will insert the patient ID. For example, we put 17, which is wilayah persekutuan, and then 14.
Ini
one to one.
Upload the
Okay, now that we have our patient's ID and names, we upload the patient's X-ray lung images. So let's say the patient is identified as COVID. So the model will predict that the patient is COVID. Okay, now that the data is uploaded to the sheet, we can see that the prediction result is class 0 and the confidence is 99%. If you can see this, that this is the class information. Class 0 is COVID-19, class 1 lung opacity, class 2 normal, and lastly class 3, which is pneumonia. Alright.
So now we going to send the temperature and heart rate data. So basically this is the temperature sensor and this is the heart rate sensor. So first we take the value, which is around 30 seconds to get the average value. So after that we send the value by press this button. So as you can see at the spreadsheet, that is the first data, which is from the GUI itself. Faizal class 0, which means COVID-19 positive, and the temperature value and the heart rate value. So when sending the value, it actually make a decision on the app script. So as we can see here, this is the decision making algorithm. So basically we send just COVID right now. So the temperature is lower than 37 and the heart rate is less than 100. So basically it's a low risk COVID. So as we can see here, the data has been transferred to the ESP back, and we can see the ID earlier and the result patient condition with low risk COVID. So I'm going to Fatin to show the.
Okay, so this is the dashboard for the data detection. Okay, now this is only have one cases because we already detect the X-ray image and using this.
Okay, so the patient that we upload is from Penang, and we can see from the dashboard that the Pulau Penang is now count as one. Okay, we also do a feature where we record every month if there is more than there is more patient that is COVID, so the count will increase.
So as you can see.
Uh,
Okay. So for the next is we're going to show the patient house. So currently this address is patient is 01110. So basically the green indicator mean that the patient is normal. So we're going to look the situation where the patient is positive COVID-19. So first we change the address for the patient. So we're going to predict the X-ray result, which is earlier we see Ali 01001, the address of his patient ID and address of his house. So class 0 which means is positive COVID-19. So now we send the temperature and the heart rate value. So basically patient must hold this and lay his thumb over here to get the heart rate and temperature value. So as you can see is the temperature value of the Ali, and this is the value of Ali heart rate. So the data combined here, heart rate, temperature, patient ID and class result. Class 0 means COVID positive, and the algorithm will make decision based on the data given. So we got that patient ID 1001 low risk COVID. So the data has been transferred to the SP32. So as you can see here, right now, Ali house, the LED red is light on because he has a COVID-19 positive. So this will alert the surround neighborhood. So they know that Ali has COVID-19. So if they have made contact with him before, they know they need to get checked up to the nearest medical, just in case they have COVID infected. So now we want to change the result back, the LED from red to green, as Ali has recovered from his COVID-19. So we have the same address, Ali, same patient ID. We change the class. So this example, Ali has recovered from COVID-19. So we predict. So class 2, as we can see over here, and the Google Sheet, Ali again, 012, class 2, which means he has recovered from COVID-19. And then we send the data value again, which is temperature and heart rate again, and wait for the FSK to make the decision. So now we can see that the data from the Ali, the temperature, the heart rate. So as you can see that this is Ali ID 010, normal and healthy. So as you can see the data of, so you can see the data that's Ali ID 1001. So the condition is normal and healthy. So the light on Ali house will turn green. So Ali never know that he has become normal and healthy again. So yes. So I think that's it from our Capstone IoT project demo. So thank you.